So as a customer success manager, I own the client relationship. I'm following them from the start to finish and then to the maintaining phase of a project in the client relationship. If there's a new client, I help set them up and I work with our engineers and our dev team to ensure success. I maintain that relationship and help the client with anything that they need. So if we're bringing a practice live, there are two usually ways that we do that. One is if it's an on-premise practice, we install our agent directly onto one of their workstations or something that's running the actual EHR for the practice. That's a quick, maybe 30 minutes to an hour maintenance call. Usually only takes 10 minutes, depending on some practices. And then at that time, we pull the data down and we run our QC, and the practice is getting their data within a week. The other way is via our APIs, where the practice doesn't really need to do anything. We just need credentials to connect to the EHRs API, and then we can extract from that way. People tend to ask us, so how are you different from your competitors? For what we do, there are companies that do things similarly, but we don't necessarily have a direct competitor because what we do is not using an HL7 interface. And what that does, it cuts down the time to 48 hours to a week versus like 3 months to could be years, depending if they don't even have an HL7 API or interface to stand things up. So